a beautiful fall day, early fall, and I'm really looking forward to today. We have a lot of friends coming over, and many times, you know, we spend a lot of time building, but if it is building for ourselves, you know, that's just, I think, selfish. So today we are going to spend quite a bit of time cooking to have friends over and enjoy our time. So one of the things that I'm going to be trying to do today is use some of our fresh herbs. So I'm going to get rosemary here. I'm going to use some of our thyme in here. And there isn't much left at this time, but I'm going to use a little bit of Greek oregano that I still have. There is different places that you can find it, but I'm hoping that it will come up again next year. But let's see what we have cooking. Oh yeah, I already cut some. So we're doing a little bit of cleaning so we can have guests over. Bought a few new placemats which I really like. Oh yeah, I forgot to show this. I did finish up the coffee place finally, and well, I guess I never finish everything up, but I'm going to be replacing this one. I just haven't bought the new one yet. And today we are making gyro, and we're going to make it the Greek way. Greek gyro does not have lamb. Now there is some lamb gyro if you go to Greece, but original Greek gyro really is pork. So we got a half loin roast, boneless, and we're going to be doing that. My wife is putting potatoes in the oven and make some of that. And I've already been processing chicken thighs, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the process in the fast mode. We're done processing some of the meat, and next thing I need to do is go get some herbs. And as you saw earlier, we had some out here. There's a small little bunch right here. Put them fresh. There we go. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. This is thyme. And where is it? I don't think I have enough oregano, so I'm going to use, unfortunately, some store-bought. I don't know why we have all those chemicals right there. But 1, 2, 3. I'm kind of cutting a little bit more of the fresher edges. And we'll let the other ones dry. Okay, we've got these and these, and we just need to wash them really quick. Alright, so let's rinse them off. Alright, so we're putting some of this in here. Alright, so we have most of this done. And now we're just gonna cover it back up. This is what we just simply put potatoes in the oven. Ooh, that's kind of hot. So I'm done processing all the meat, and there's a mixture of pork and chicken in here. So first thing is I put a bit of olive oil in it. I know it sounds like quite a bit of olive oil because I have about 10 pounds of meat in here. So we'll put a little bit thicker cut pepper. Let's see, there we go. Oregano. And salt. From Greece. Lots of cumin. Now, some people don't use cumin in Greece, but I do. I like it. A little bit of red pepper, cayenne pepper. And paprika. So the last part of what we're cooking for today is, or not cooking, actually making, is tzatziki, or some people call it cucumber sauce, but it's very much a staple for us. So it's very simple. All you do is you get what we call here in the States, English cucumbers that look like this, and use a cheese grater and grate them. Let me see if I can pick up just a little bit. You grate them pretty fine, and then you put yogurt. I use Fage. Fage is the only thing to use, really. The 2%. You can use 1%, but 2% is better. Some people will use sour cream, but it makes it too sweet. And I'm a little bit of a purist when it goes to our food. And then all you do is you just put a little bit of olive oil on it, and you put some garlic. I would say this is a small spoon, so I put less than half of it, about a third of it. And all you do is you mix it. And once you mix it really, really well, it needs to sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour for it to bind properly. Then it's ready to go. Alright, so the potatoes in the oven are done. We took them out. I really like that we used not white meat for once, but I like that we used was it thighs? Mm-hmm. And they're looking really good. So we're going to broil it for just a little bit, just to brown the top. There we go. So, after cooking for a little while, now we've gotten all over the shaving down to sort of the raw stuff now. But I went ahead and brought it all over here, and we're going to finish it up in here while our friends are coming in. And Theo, who is mixing it for me, yeah, he's doing a good job. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. Bye.